again. Snicky show.
Snicky show.
Sorry, we don't have the
Sorry,
paper.
we don't have the paper.
Just copy me.
I'm copying her.
Yeah. But we're in my garage. Sorry it's kind of messy. Just got back from a trip.
Taller than her.
Not anymore. But yeah. Okay, you can have your moment. We're baking! Yay! We're about to start.
And
So, do you want to see it? Do you want to see it today? Ready? Let's put this down here. Okay, can you see it? Oh, yeah. Oh! Well, yeah. We're making... Let's show
pink
you.
sugar hearts.
Pink sugar hearts. Yeah. We're not having a fight. Like a
Yeah, we're not having a flower
because we
fight.
have our hair all pretty.
Mine's
So
not,
yeah.
but hers is, so whatever.
First of all, we're gonna stir. Okay.
Where's the time?
Oh, I don't know. I don't see it.
Oh, well, I'll just see.
Yeah.
Before? 48. This isn't forming a ball.
We just started. Okay, there's flour like everywhere. Did I put too much flour? No. I did 2 cups. I did 3/4. I did everything right. Why is this not working? Oh, it is working.
No, it's supposed to look like breadcrumbs.
Oh, okay. It's working now. I got scared. If anyone put more butter. Yeah, I don't think we put the right amount. So why don't you cut some more?
I think it's fine. We'll just keep going.
Cut 1 strip maybe. Look at my hand.
There's a knife.
In the sink.
Do I have to wash it?
No, just use it. Sorry. Yeah, you're gonna need 1 more. But this is working though. Yay, yay, yay. Stick it in there. Look at it go, look at it go. Want to mix a little while?
Sure.
Oh shoot. Well, yeah. Man. Too much flour. But, oh, look at my apron. It's New York, and Vicky's apron's cool. Food. Yeah. Go, Vicky, go. You know how to do it? Go. That's what I'm making. I think we're gonna make a flower shape. Vicky in action.
It already looks like breadcrumbs.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Kinda does. Does it look like breadcrumbs? I don't know. But it's really, really hot right now. It should be like when we need more butter.
I think we put too much butter.
No, we need more. It's gonna make it sticky. Trust me.
That's how it's supposed to be.
No, I made this before.
Last time we put too much butter and it got too oily, remember? That's
But
what
we
made
used,
it nasty.
but we made it out of margarine or whatever.
Margarine?
Yeah. Just put 1 more.
Here's the thing.
Where'd you put? Oh. Because it's supposed to be able to like stick. This doesn't stick. Just stick it in there. We're using the last butter.
I'm supposed to use the whole
Yeah.
stick.
Huh? I think the whole stick was probably 3/4. Because when me and my mom did, that's how it's supposed to look like. This is how the little start to look. Like chunky. There you go. Now we got it. Woo, we got it. And look at my hand. Yeah.
Ah!
irritating me, so I'm just gonna break it. I have butter all over my hand. Thank you. Oh wait, look at this. Look at this. Yucky, yucky.
Add the sugar and egg yolk. I want to do the egg yolk. Just the egg yolk. That's the yellow
Yeah.
part.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna sign out for now, and when we're molding it and all, then we'll turn it back on. So, see you in a bit. Bye, 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 bye.